Welcome to our channel. If you need to cancel your Adobe Creative Cloud subscription, follow these step-by-step instructions to properly terminate your plan and avoid unexpected charges. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to the Adobe website. Log in with your Adobe ID credentials associated with your Creative Cloud subscription. Step 2. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Manage Account from the drop-down menu to access your subscription settings. Step 3. Navigate to the Plans and Products section where you can view all your active Adobe subscriptions and their details. Step 4. Locate your Creative Cloud plan and click on Manage Plan next to it to view cancellation options. Step 5. Select Cancel Plan and Adobe will display information about what you'll lose access to upon cancellation. Step 6. Choose a reason for canceling from the options provided or select Other if your reason isn't listed. Step 7. Adobe may offer you a discount or pause option. Review these offers or proceed with Continue Cancellation if you want to cancel. Step 8. Confirm your cancellation and check your email for confirmation. Your subscription will remain active until the end of your current billing period. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.